Okay, this is part 2 of that washing machine teardown. I forgot to show you all the trinkets. Extruded aluminum, lovely. Oh, you dirty bugger. So 2 pieces extruded, 4 of these guys, 1 of him, little electric motor that's on the timer, little piece of circuit, and where did you go? Right there. Nice little gem of copper came off the circuit board. Cast aluminum, irony aluminum. Yes, see? I don't know how well you're seeing that. I scratched it right there. It's copper motor. Woo. 1600, made in Hungary. So anyways, that some brassy bits off of the little control switches. All this wire. Plug. I have to clean it up yet. Yeah, a couple nice pieces of extruded or cast aluminum, I mean. So, yeah, I apologize I didn't put it on the video of the teardown. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Plus another little motor. This one was sitting right here. I guess it keeps an eye on the temperature of the bearing. That's my guess. In case the bearing gets too hot or something, I don't know. What do you think? Eh? But I don't care. It's another little copper winding motor. That's what counts, right? So, good trinkets. That's another reason why I like to take them apart. It's the way it was put together. You saw it come out of the machine. Oh, I forgot this. The only thing I have to do to this yet is pop this guy out. Oh, that was hard. Now that's clean cast. Ooh yeah. So there you have it. Sorry I didn't put it on the original video. I'm getting ahead of myself. So there's a little quick update on that. So hope you like it. If you see an appliance and you have room, take them home, take them apart. You get some nice trinkets out of them.